How to replace water filter cartridges. First, if you have a powered water filter system, turn off the power. Then turn off the inlet tap or the ball valve under the sink depending on what type of filter system you have. For benchtop systems, place the unit into the sink to catch any water that may come out when you remove the cartridge. Then turn the cartridge counterclockwise to remove it. It may be a little stiff and require some effort. Install the new cartridge by rotating clockwise. If the label ends up facing backwards, that's okay. But if it bothers you, remove it, rotate it 180 degrees and reinstall. For the EZEK under sink system, the process is the same, just upside down. And because the unit is fixed in place, you may want to put a suitable container or a towel underneath to catch any water that leaks out of the old cartridge when you pull it out. The filters are easily removed by rotating them counterclockwise until you feel 5 clicks. Then lift the filter out. Installing the new filter is a reversal of the same procedure. 3, 4, 5. The last step is to run the water for a good 5 minutes before drinking to flush out any particles that may have come loose post-manufacture. It's normal to see a milky appearance at this time, but that will go away in due course. One other style you may come across is filters installed with hoses and pushlock connectors. These are disconnected by first turning off the inlet tap to the filter system and then turning on the outlet tap to relieve any pressure in the system. Then compress the flange and extract the hose. To reinstall, push the hose into the connector and then pull back to make sure it's secure. Then turn the inlet water back on and check for any leaks. Pushlock connectors are often used for at least some cartridges in a reverse osmosis system, including the reverse osmosis membrane itself, which is contained within a housing which is retained. To replace the reverse osmosis membrane, it's usually easiest to first remove the housing from the system. Then unscrew the membrane housing cap and remove the membrane element from the membrane housing. If you have trouble getting a grip on it to pull it out, use suitable pliers. When installing the new membrane, make sure you get it the right way around or water flow will be blocked. The same goes for reattaching the hoses. For more information about I-LAN water products, please do come visit us or check out our website at www.ilanwater.com.au. To contact us, please email sales@ilanwater.com.au or give us a call on 02 8840 5177. Please check us out on social media. You can find us on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter under I-LAN Water. Please like and subscribe and give the bell a click if you'd like a notification from YouTube about any new videos we put up. Thanks and bye for now.